Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error can't multiply sequence by non-int of type tuple. This error occurs when you try to multiply a sequence, e.g. a list, tuple, or string, by a non-integer value, such as a tuple. Here's an example. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, the multiplication operator is used to multiply the my_list sequence by the my_tuple. However, this is not allowed because the asterisk operator expects an integer value on the right-hand side. To fix this error, you can modify your code to ensure that you're multiplying a sequence by an integer value. For example, if you want to repeat a sequence n times, you can use the asterisk operator with an integer value. Let's run this code. Here is the output. In this updated example, the asterisk operator is used to repeat the my_list sequence 2 times. This is allowed because the right-hand side of the asterisk operator is an integer value.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.